Hello friends, let's start today's recipe. How to use ready dough sheets for puff pastry. Let's see step by step. Here I have taken all the seats in large size. I will use 5 seats on each level. Here we will mix some different types of dry foods, such as raisins, coconut powder, almonds, etc. You can use whatever you like. Roll out to desired thickness. Quick and easy delicious sweetness puff pastry. Cut into sheets or shapes. Add cubed butter, mix with baking powder. Then pour samosa sheets on the top. Rest for 30 minutes. Bake for the recommended time, usually 15 to 25 minutes. Or until golden brown. After then pour sugar syrup. Easy delicious sweetness puff pastry.